Hey there, garden enthusiasts! Welcome back to another exciting episode where we dive into the wonderful world of gardening. Today, I'm excited to share a fantastic tip that will take your tomato growing game to the next level. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, this tip is sure to make a big difference. Have you ever wondered what herb you should plant alongside your tomatoes? It's a question many gardeners ponder, and the answer might surprise you. Well, the answer is basil. This aromatic herb is not just for your kitchen, it's a powerhouse in the garden too. Yep, that's right. Basil and tomatoes are a match made in gardening heaven. They complement each other in ways you might not have imagined. First off, let's talk about why these two are such great companions. It's not just about their flavors, it's about how they help each other grow. Basil helps repel insects that can harm your precious tomatoes. This natural pest control is a game changer for organic gardening. Pests like aphids, whiteflies, and tomato hornworms are less likely to invade your garden if you have basil nearby. This means healthier plants and a more bountiful harvest. Plus, basil attracts beneficial insects like bees, which help with pollination. More pollinators mean more fruit, and who doesn't want more delicious tomatoes? Another reason to plant basil with tomatoes is the improvement in flavor. The combination of these two plants can elevate your culinary creations. Many gardeners swear that tomatoes grown with basil taste better. The enhanced flavor can make your homegrown produce stand out. The aromatic oils from basil are believed to enhance the flavor of tomatoes, making your homegrown produce even more delicious. Imagine the taste of a fresh tomato basil salad straight from your garden. Now let's dive into some tips on how to plant basil with your tomatoes. It's easier than you might think, and the results are well worth the effort. First, choose a sunny spot in your garden. Both basil and tomatoes thrive in sunlight, so this is crucial for their growth. Both basil and tomatoes love sunlight, so make sure they get at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight each day. This will ensure they grow strong and healthy. Next, plant basil around the base of your tomato plants. This strategic placement helps maximize the benefits of companion planting. You can either plant them directly in the ground or in containers placed nearby. Containers can be a great option if you're short on garden space. Just make sure there's enough space for both plants to grow without overcrowding. Proper spacing is key to preventing disease and ensuring each plant gets enough nutrients. Watering is crucial for a thriving garden. Both basil and tomatoes need consistent moisture to grow well. Keep the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged. Overwatering can lead to root rot, so be mindful of your watering habits. Basil and tomatoes prefer well-drained soil, so make sure your garden bed or containers have good drainage. This will help prevent water from pooling around the roots. One more thing, prune your basil regularly. This simple task can make a big difference in the health and productivity of your plants. Pinch off the top leaves to encourage bushier growth, and don't let the basil go to seed. This will keep your basil plants producing fresh leaves all season long. This will ensure a steady supply of fresh basil throughout the growing season. You'll have plenty of basil for all your culinary needs. And there you have it. By planting basil with your tomatoes, you're setting up your garden for success. Planting basil with your tomatoes is a simple yet effective way to boost your garden's health and flavor. It's a win-win situation for any gardener. Give it a try this season and watch your tomato plants thrive. You'll be amazed at the difference this little herb can make. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this tip helpful, and subscribe for more gardening tips and tricks. Your support helps us bring you more great content. Happy gardening, and until next time, keep those thumbs green. Enjoy the journey of growing your own delicious and healthy produce.